Did you know there's a snake that can survive freezing temperatures, give birth without mating, and even hunt in groups? Today, we're diving into 50 fascinating facts about garter snakes, one of the most underrated reptiles on the planet. 1. Garter snakes are among the most common snakes in North America. 2. Their scientific genus is Thamnophis. 3. There are over 30 recognized species of garter snakes. 4. They're named for their striped pattern, resembling old-fashioned garters. 5. Most garter snakes have 3 longitudinal stripes along their bodies. 6. Their colors can vary widely: green, brown, black, even blue or red accents. 7. They are non-venomous to humans. 8. However, they do produce a mild venom to subdue prey. 9. Garter snakes are relatively small, usually 18 to 55 inches long. 10. Females are typically larger than males. 11. They live across a huge range, from Canada to Central America. 12. Garter snakes thrive in diverse habitats: forests, grasslands, wetlands, and even urban areas. 13. They are often found near water sources like ponds and streams. 14. Some species are excellent swimmers. 15. They can even hunt underwater. 16. Garter snakes are one of the few snakes commonly seen in suburban gardens. 17. They prefer hiding under rocks, logs, or debris. 18. In colder climates, they hibernate during winter. 19. They gather in large groups in dens called hibernacula. 20. Some dens can contain thousands of snakes. 21. Garter snakes are carnivorous. 22. Their diet includes worms, frogs, fish, slugs, and small rodents. 23. They use their tongue to detect chemical cues in the air. 24. This ability helps them track prey efficiently. 25. They often swallow prey whole. 26. Their mild venom helps immobilize smaller animals. 27. Some populations have developed resistance to toxic newts. 28. This creates a fascinating predator-prey arms race. 29. Garter snakes are active hunters rather than ambush predators. 30. They sometimes hunt in groups, which is unusual for snakes. 31. Garter snakes are generally harmless and shy. 32. When threatened, they may release a foul-smelling musk. 33. They can also flatten their bodies to appear larger. 34. Some will strike, but rarely bite humans. 35. They are diurnal, meaning active during the day. 36. Garter snakes rely on camouflage to avoid predators. 37. Their predators include birds, raccoons, and larger snakes. 38. They can move surprisingly fast when escaping danger. 39. Some species are semi-aquatic. 40. They're often mistaken for more dangerous snakes. 41. Garter snakes give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. 42. A single litter can include 10 to 80 baby snakes. Mating often occurs right after emerging from hibernation. 44. Males form mating balls around a female. 45. These balls can involve dozens of males competing. 46. Some males mimic females to confuse rivals. 47. Baby garter snakes are independent from birth. 48. They grow quickly in their first year. 49. Some garter snakes can reproduce through parthenogenesis, without mating. 50. Despite being so common, they play a crucial role in controlling pest populations. So next time you see a garter snake, remember, it's not just a harmless garden visitor, but a fascinating survivor packed with incredible adaptations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know, what animals should we explore next?